Are you eating beets the right way? Think again. Today we're revealing 12 dangerous mistakes you might be making, mistakes that could actually harm your health. Stay tuned to make sure you're getting all the benefits of this superfood. Hi, I'm Your Name, and welcome back to our channel. Beets are one of the healthiest vegetables on the planet, packed with vitamins, minerals, and natural nitrates that support your heart, brain, and overall energy. But eating them the wrong way can cancel out their benefits, or worse, cause problems you never expected. Let's dive in and uncover the 12 mistakes to avoid when enjoying beets. Mistake number 1. Not washing beets properly. Many people forget to wash their beets thoroughly. Dirt and pesticides can remain on the skin. Always rinse under running water and scrub gently before cooking. Mistake number 2. Peeling too much. Beet skins are edible and packed with nutrients. Peeling removes valuable fiber and antioxidants. Just clean them well and cook with the skin if possible. Mistake number 3. Overcooking beets. Boiling beets for too long can destroy vitamins. Steam or roast them for the best flavor and nutrition. Mistake number 4. Ignoring the leaves. Beet greens are a superfood on their own. Don't throw them away. Sauté them lightly for a vitamin-rich side dish. Mistake number 5. Eating too much at once. Beets are high in natural nitrates. Overconsumption can lower blood pressure too much. Stick to moderate portions daily. Mistake number 6. Drinking beet juice excessively. Beet juice is potent. Too much at once may upset your stomach or interfere with medications. Start with small amounts. Mistake number 7. Not balancing with other foods. Pairing beets with protein or healthy fats can improve nutrient absorption. Eating them alone isn't always enough. Mistake number 8. Ignoring color changes. If your beets look dull or have mold, do not eat them. Fresh, vibrant beets are safe and nutritious. Mistake number 9. Storing improperly. Beets need a cool, dark place. Leaving them in a warm kitchen shortens shelf life and reduces nutrition. Mistake number 10. Using too much sugar. Adding sugar to cooked beets hides natural flavors but reduces health benefits. Try natural seasonings instead. Mistake number 11. Not checking for allergies. Some people may react to beets with digestive issues or red urine. Start slowly if you're new to them. Mistake number 12. Forgetting to mix cooking methods. Raw, steamed, and roasted beets all offer unique benefits. Include variety for maximum nutrition. So there you have it, 12 common mistakes to avoid when eating beets. Wash them, cook them right, don't waste the greens, and enjoy in moderation. Follow these tips to get the most out of this super beet food. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, comment your favorite beet recipe, and subscribe for more health tips every week.